Active shooter expert Phil Ball here, and today we're unboxing the Stingray rechargeable stun gun from the Home Security Superstore. See that? Okay, let's unbox the Stingray rechargeable stun gun. Now, I want you to know that this is our #1 selling stun gun by a wide margin with almost no returns. And that tells us that people love it. On the box here, it talks about pocket-sized protection, easy to conceal, lightweight, USB charging cord, and squeeze-to-stun technology. Okay, here's the directions. We'll set those to the side and we'll go over those in just a minute. Here's the actual unit itself. Look how small and lightweight it is. Now, it's very easy to conceal. See that? Fits right in your hand, mostly concealed in your hand. And that tells me, see, the configuration here makes it easy to retain in an altercation. You know, many times when you introduce something like this into an altercation, you've got to fight to keep it because bad guys try and take it away from you to use it on you. So you need to practice with it, okay? And I've got it off right now, so I'm just going to demo. See that switch for your palm? That's the squeeze stun technology, squeeze and stun technology. When you do turn this on and arc it, just arcing it can prevent a problem. The bad guy sees that arc and knows that that's for him if he chooses to come after you. All right. So let's show you the nomenclature. Got the squeeze and stun button. Got the safety on and off switch here. And when you turn on, this light comes on to let you know it's empowered. And then the probes here. That's what you want to make contact with your adversary with. Okay, so we'll turn it on, and see when you turn it on, the light comes on, and then all you have to do to activate it is just squeeze it, putting pressure on that red button. See that? Just that visual arc and that auditory sound, that alone is a deterrent, okay? Just showing that, especially if it's someone that's ever, we call it ride the lightning. Anybody that's rode the lightning before, that's ever had one of these used on them, they don't want it to happen again. I can guarantee you that. There is a USB charging cable. It charges up very easily. This one only took about 3 hours to charge up, which was faster than a lot of other products that I've had. And also I want to point out to you that it comes in the tactical black, and we got a pretty pink too, made by Streetwise Security Products. But this and all the products we're going to be showing you come from the Home Security Superstore, the world's largest security store. Let me go over the directions just a little bit here for you because I want to give you some education. We already went over the parts of it, but there's a diagram here that goes over that. Tells about charging. We've talked about that. Test the stun gun. Anything you use and carry for personal self-protection, I would do a function check on it before I went out with it. When you put it on your person, check it in some way to make sure that it will function when you need it, because you don't want to find out in the middle of an altercation that, oh, I should have charged it up or I should have done something else. Also, using the product, they have a diagram here, and what I've done is I blew this diagram up a little to point out to you the target areas they recommend that you use this on are the upper shoulder, the upper hip, and below the rib cage. Now what you're seeing there is large muscle groups. We know with energy weapons that they're most effective in large muscle groups. So just keep that in mind. Tells you the effects on an assailant based on how many seconds that you activate it and hold it against them. Also the warranty. I love that the lifetime warranty. It's hard to find anything with any kind of warranty you don't have to pay extra for, much less a lifetime warranty. So that's just outstanding. And that just tells you what confidence they have in this product. And as I mentioned, we've had almost no returns in all the units we've sold over the years. All right, and to obtain service tells you how to do that. And the notice is we want you to check all the laws that would govern your possession and use of this. We want to make sure we're always in conformance with the law, okay? So there you have it. The Streetwise Stingray rechargeable stun gun. Now, if you're interested in the Stingray rechargeable stun gun or any of the hundreds of personal safety products at the Home Security Superstore, the world's largest security store, just click the link below in the description. This is Philip Ball reminding you to think tactically and stay safe. And victory favors the well-trained warrior.